Condo. Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. Today's video I am going to do a room tour. This is not just another hotel room that I'm staying in. Different one, a unique one, because this is not just a hotel, this is a condo. Yes, this is an apartment, a 1 BHK apartment nestled in a housing society wherein there are very different, quite different styles of apartments available. You have executive rooms, you have shared rooms, you have 1 BHK, you have 2 BHK, and they also have an in-house restaurant inside. This is Halcyon, and I'll link the details, the address, phone number, how do you reach there, where it is exactly. It's in Bangalore, of course. All of those details in the description below. So let's go. This is my new condo apartment in Bangalore. When we enter, there's this huge mirror where you can just stand here, do your makeup, or just click pictures. There's a full-size mirror over there. There's this free space, and you have this table here where you can keep your storage items or your luggage, your baggage, whatever you want to keep in. Then we enter inside. Show you how huge the living area is. Here there's a small table, and then there's a desk over here. You have a sitting desk where you can just sit with your laptop, you can work, or if you're working from home, then that's best because you can work from here. Then there's a landline which goes directly to the reception, or you can order via in-room dining. I spoke about in-room dining. There is this in-room dining menu. There's also a bar menu, and it's serviceable till 11 PM at night. Until then you can order alcoholic drinks or non-alcoholic as well. Midnight menu here. So if you're hungry at night, or if you arrived later than 12 AM, you can then use this midnight menu. Just pasta, veg as well as non-veg. They also have beverages and all of that. So there's an in-house restaurant called Cilantro, which serves all the food, and there's also breakfast which is available along with the room. So if you book a room with breakfast, you get that one, otherwise the normal one. And this is the restaurant, and this is the Indian dining menu, which has all the dishes: Indian, South Indian, North Indian, and also Italian, pizzas, and all of those things. So you can use that. And with beverages, rum, whiskey, vodka, and then there is mocktails, juices, and all of those things. There's a huge sofa and a very comfy sofa as well, so people can also sleep here. So if you have a lot more people coming in, if you have a couple of friends, two people can actually sleep here, and the rest in the bedroom area. The TV in front, and there's a sofa here, so you can just enjoy and relax. The TV is a little smaller. It should have been a little bigger, but it's okay, I think. This is the entire living cum dining space. So you have a dining table here with 2 tables, and the best part is there are plants, like live plants over here, which they have kept. And then they serve water, so you get 2 bottles, and you can ask for extra. They don't have a balcony in this one. This is a 1 BHK condo, so we don't have a balcony. For some sunlight during the day. It's raining right now, so that's why we're not seeing any sun. And then there's a lot of space here also, so in case you have a lot of stuff to keep, then you can keep them here as well. Spacious, I would say. And they also have a sink here, they have gas over here, they have a chimney, so you can cook something. You can ask for utensils, and then once they get it, and you can buy some raw vegetables or other ingredients, and you just cook stuff here. They have a sink over here, and then the best part is they also have kettle, which is like usual, but they have this microwave oven which you can use to heat stuff. So when you order in, and if you've ordered a lot of stuff, you can have to finish it, you can use this. And then there's a fridge which is empty, but I think it only has a couple of stuff I bought, and some wine which I ordered from Cilantro, and we'll be having it later. A lot of storage space here as well, but empty. No utensils in there, no spoons, nothing. That is something you have to ask extra. is the entire living cum dining cum kitchen space, and then this is the bedroom. So as I said, this is the 1 BHK, and this is the bedroom. This is a sliding door. Bedroom area, which is also quite huge, and there is a washroom inside attached to this. And similarly, there is no balcony here as well. It is the same. This is how it is. And then there's this queen bed, I think. Yeah. And you have some lamps on either side of the bed. And this is comfy, and I wouldn't say too comfy, but yeah, quite firm. And then 2 pillows on each side. Then another TV over here, same size, but this one does not work, I think, for some reason. But yeah, 1 TV here, 1 TV there, in case you have a lot of people. Even some very important stuff, a dressing table, and this is our stuff. But yeah, you have a dressing table and a dressing mirror and a table where you can just sit and do your makeup or whatever you want. This cupboard is a closed one. This one you can just keep it for what you want to wear next, and then if you have a lot of stuff for the next couple of days, you can use. You also have hangers in here. You can always, so you can use it. This is how the bedroom area is. And now let's go into the washroom. Quite good. They have good marble flooring and it's clean. That's the best part. The washroom, again, a good mirror. They give you a couple of things. It is a shower cap, lotion, and they have their own customized soap which they give you. And yeah, that's the pretty decent stuff, and everything is very clean, as you can see. They also have a phone inside in case you're stuck here, and yeah, everything else is quite good, in a good shape, quite well ventilated. They don't have a jacuzzi, but they have this basic shower and shampoo and conditioner and soaps that they give you. It's sufficient space for a person. This is the entire space. Let me know how you like it, if you did. Yeah. Sitting areas on either side. You can just sit over here, and we also eat or drink at times, drink tea at times, and yeah, it's quite good. On each floor there are 2 to 3 such sitting areas. We can just sit outside the room and enjoy, read a book or whatever. If somebody's getting very inside, you can just come here if you are with a lot of people. And then they have some very good plants that are here. There are some pebbles, and it's quite good. It's clean and it's spacious, and on every floor is how the arrangement is. So this is how it looks like. Let me show you the outside space, the lift, and the entry areas. Different rooms. So some of these rooms are 1 BHK, some are 2 BHKs. It depends which one you choose. Common area. So if you choose an executive room, it comes with a common area and a kitchen. So this is how it looks like. It's a sneak peek. The common area, and then there are rooms inside. Ours was a 1 BHK, so it was like a complete whole one. This is a lift. It's going down. Let's go down on the ground floor. We have a fan and a phone inside also.
Here you have a lot of restaurants too outside, and you get everything there, so you can use it for, again, I just played. It's raining right now, so okay, so that's all I had in this video. You saw the entire apartment, the living room, bedroom, all the amenities, and you now know where this is. So in case you liked it or loved it, you can check it out for yourselves. This is not a paid promotion, this is not sponsored in any ways. This is all genuine reviews. I've booked it myself, I've paid for it, and I liked it. That's why I'm sharing this video. Okay, so that's all I had in this video. I hope you did like it. If you did, then don't forget to engage in whatever ways you can engage by liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. You know what to do. That's it. I'll see you in my next video because I have a lot more stories, a lot more videos, a lot more travel journeys coming up. So you don't want to miss that. I'll see you in my next one. Take care.